Have you ever wondered how your hair knows exactly how to grow and how long to grow? Or your skin knows how to make its own natural sunscreen called melanin? It's not magic, it's a message. Today we are going inside the cell to see how the boss DNA sends out top secret instructions to build, well, you. Let's dive into the world of protein synthesis. So here on the screen you can see this is a cell, the outer membrane, cell membrane, this is nucleus, and inside the nucleus we have our boss DNA. Since protein synthesis happens in the cytoplasm because all the amino acids which will participate in the protein synthesis are present in the cytoplasm, but DNA is in the nucleus and it cannot go out. So how this process will happen? Let's zoom into the nucleus first. This is the nucleus and this is the DNA. But wait, what is this? This is the enzyme RNA polymerase. What will this enzyme do? This enzyme will start the process, will help DNA to initiate the process of transcription, will unwind the DNA, unzip the strands of DNA to make messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is like the secretary. If the DNA is the boss, messenger RNA is the secretary. DNA cannot go out of the office, means the nucleus, but the secretary can go out of the office. Here you can see the messenger RNA is going out of the nucleus using the pores of nuclear wall. Messenger RNA is taking the message of DNA, message of boss to the cytoplasm. And what will happen? Let's zoom this messenger RNA. Messenger RNA will now bind to the ribosomes. Ribosome is like a place where the protein synthesis happens. The protein synthesis will happen on top of the ribosome. But the codes for the protein synthesis, which is provided by the DNA, is on the messenger RNA. So what will happen? This is messenger RNA and this is the ribosome on top of it. The protein. How the protein will be made? The amino acid in the cytoplasm will bind, will form a bead-like structure according to the codon provided by the messenger RNA. And at the end, we will get the chain of amino acid, which is protein, which will be released from here to the cell, and the cell will use it. So the messenger RNA is sitting on the ribosome and the protein chain is growing like beautiful beads on a necklace. But wait, how do the workers know exactly which bead to pick next? There is a secret three-letter codon hidden on this message called codon. In my next video, I am going to show how to read the code and introduce you to the special delivery trucks that bring the supplies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BioBrilliant so you don't miss the secret. See you next time.